Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today we are making kitchen sink Christmas cookies. We are going to get started by adding 1 stick of softened butter to 1 stick of brown butter. You're going to cream that with some sugar. Usually I do brown and granulated, but today I only add granulated sugar. It should be light and fluffy, just like this. Go in with 2 room temperature eggs. Mix that together until combined. Add some pure vanilla extract and mix until combined. 'Tis the season. Thank you. Now in this bowl I have some all-purpose flour. I am adding some cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Mix until combined. What is your favorite Christmas cookie? Or what do you like to add to your kitchen sink cookies? I'm adding some white chocolate. This is by Ghirardelli. They have a sugar cookie. And then I'm going in with some red and green candy pieces by Hershey's. I'm also going to be adding some red and green Hershey candy pieces and red and green M&Ms. I'm also going to be adding some plain potato chips, butterscotch chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I found some red and green cereal. It was by Kellogg's Elf on a Shelf. Simply combine that, fold in all your garnishes, and then we're ready to portion the cookie dough. Go ahead and line your cookie sheet, and you're going to use a portion scoop to put the dough on the sheet tray. As you can see, I started out with a small cookie scoop, but then I forgot I was recording for the foodies, so I had to go ahead and get the adult portion scoop out. You're welcome. So before you go into the oven, you're going to garnish the cookie dough with a few more red and green cookie pieces. As you can see, I have some more Christmas trees, stockings, and some more candy pieces. Once you've done that, go ahead and get a small saucer with a small amount of water and gently press the cookies. After the cookies are done, go ahead and remove them to a cooling rack and allow them to cool completely. You can also add a sprinkle of sea salt to the cookies. And there you have it, kitchen sink Christmas cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.